for watching another software training video. In this video, we're going to be discussing going paperless in your office. So there's three basic elements to going paperless, and you wonder why we're looking at this screen. Well, it perfectly plays into the first element, which is capturing taxpayers' signatures. Capturing taxpayers' signature, we do that by use of a electronic signature pad. In this case, it's a Topaz TS460, and we are on the bank application page of our TaxSlayer Financial Services bank application. So we're going to click right here, and it's going to pull up a spot for us to sign. I'm going to clear it out, show you how the signature pad works, and just scribble something in there. I'm going to clear that out and just show you that it is me and put in a smiley face with an exclamation point, two of them, and click save. So it's very, very easy. It saves that signature into the documents. It allows you to print that signature out on three different things. We got the 8879, we've got the bank application, and the 7216 in tax return. Okay? So very, very easy to use. Requires a quick little installation and the purchase of the actual hardware. Next thing we're going to talk about is document storage. We need the ability to save documents into the tax return and keep them with that client file. We have a couple of different methods for scanning documents in. So as you can see, I've got view my current year tax return PDFs. Those would be scans for the current season. View my prior year tax return PDFs. That would be my scans from the prior year. And then I also have the scan document tab. We've got three different scanning or importing of document methods. We've got the handheld scanner by Motorola. We've got a desktop scanner that would allow you to feed in 20 different documents at the same time and basically create one big PDF. And then we have the ability to browse out and select from our desktop. So this would be select a file, and we could go into, oh, it's only looking for images. We got to go to all files, and this is a PNG file. That's why it didn't show up. Click open, and boom, file successfully copied into the tax program. So very, very simple to add those files in when you're in the software. When you're actually in that client's tax return, you can also scan documents in when you're outside of the client's tax return using our Papercut utility. So if you click on Papercut, this will not only pull up the existing client's file, but it'll pull up all of the tax returns you currently have in your system and allow you to scan documents in them. So you can scan documents into the return within the software and outside of the return by clicking on Papercut. I can click right here. You can see that the tax return's already in there. And if I needed to scan documents in, I click the little scan button at the bottom, and I've got the same three options as I did previously. So very, very efficient, very user-friendly, allows you to scan things in, save them, pretty much any method that you need to get the taxpayer source documents into the return. We can do it and accommodate you in that. The third part of going paperless is the ability to deliver those documents to your taxpayer paperlessly. The best way to do that is through an integrated email system that we have in Papercut. Previously, and with most other softwares, what I'm seeing is that you have to save that file to your desktop as a PDF, attach that PDF to an email, and send it to your client. Couple of problems. One, incredibly inefficient. Two, clutters up your desktop. And three, it's not secure. If that PDF is not encrypted or password protected, you're sending out taxpayer information. That is a big, big no-no. So we've got an email encryption system. I'm going to click on my email. I'm going to click the show all button here at the top left. It shows me everything that's in there. Click on this guy right here, and it's going to pull up my email or his email to my email from, and I'm able to attach up to two documents. So I can pick the tax return, I can pick his bank documents, and send them all to them. You can see that it's got the last four of his social as the encryption key, which also is explained in this default text of the email. Or you can come in here and you can change it to whatever you want. You can change it to literally or remove it, which I don't suggest. We would simply come down here and click send. His tax documents would be sent out, and they would be received on the other end with an explanation of who they came from, and them being password protected. So those are the three things that you need in order to go paperless. You've got to have a way to capture taxpayer signatures. You got to have a way to store taxpayer documents, and then you also got to have a way to deliver those documents to that taxpayer without printing it out and doing all the other kinds of crazy stuff. So we hope this video was informative, as well as something that you're considering implementing in your tax practice. We appreciate your time. Look forward to working with you. Hope you have an amazing tax season. Thank you.